Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram username. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply access to Instagram. Once you have done so, sign in with the particular account that you would like to change your username on, and then simply tap on this profile icon in the bottom right, and now tap on this option of edit profile on top, and now go ahead, tap on this username, and now you can simply remove it and add anything that you would like extra. Once you're done, you can tap on this done option on top. Your username will be updated and saved accordingly. Once you're done, as I mentioned before, you can tap on this done option and you're good to go. Again, you can come to your profile, tap on this edit profile option afterwards, and tap on username, remove it according to your need, and once you're done, tap on done option on top. It will be saved and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.